Citizens of Panem, are you ready? You have been waiting all year, and the time has finally come once again.
Follow the cameras as they swoop out of the glittering streets of the capital, speed down the train tracks that crisscross our great nation, and take out to the farthest reaches of the districts.
Welcome to Panem's 74th Hunger Games.
Chapter 1, Introduction.
There was once a place called North America, but droughts and fires, hurricanes and tornadoes, and Indians took their toll. Brutal war broke out as people fought for the few remaining resources. The earth was scattered and desolated, and the people were terrified and hopeless.
But out of the ashes are records of rose Panem, a nation made out of a great capital rigged by 13 districts, which brought peace and prosperity to its citizens for many generations.
Then the dark days came, the uprising of the districts against the capital. The shining light of our nation was clouded by war, terrible war. The 13 districts rebelled against the country that fed them, loved them, and protected them. The revolt left the country in tattered, motherless children built. The land was torn aside. After a long struggle in which many died, there came the hard-won peace. 12 districts were defeated, 13 was obliterated, others were last oppressed. We swore as a nation we would never allow such treason again.
Thus was the Treaty of Treason written and signed, providing us with new laws to live by, laws that would guarantee peace. As a yearly reminder that the dark days must never come again, it was decreed that on the same day each year, the various districts would offer up one tribute, one brave young man and one brave young woman, to fight in a passion of honor, courage, and sacrifice, the Hunger Games. The 24 tributes are sent to an outdoor arena where they struggle to overcome both man and nature and triumph over the odds. Each year, the lone victor serves as a reminder of the nation's generosity and forgiveness.
This season, as both time and for repentance and a time for thanks, this is how we remember our past. This is how we safeguard our future.
Now, the great nation of Panem, ruled by the shining capital, consists of 12 districts, each essential in its own way. Each district concentrates on producing one resource, but only together do the districts form a cohesive, powerful whole. The capital collects and redistributes the food in the field so every district and every family has what it needs to prosper.